Oh, that gorilla in the kitchen. She whipping. That gorilla in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Oh, what's up, y'all? Look, I had to come on here and show y'all these fried butterfly shrimp I made the other day. So fire, y'all. All you do is cut them down the back, spread them out like this. They're going to end up looking like this right here, y'all. Make them kind of flat. It's going to look like this right here. A real little butterfly. Make sure you got the two little wings on the side. Then you're going to get in some flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. In that order. Yeah, make sure they coat it real good, y'all. And it's going to be looking like this right here. I didn't have panko breadcrumbs. I just had these right here, y'all. But I advise you use panko, okay? Okay, they all breaded, y'all. Looking like this right here. I'm going to go ahead and fry them up in some vegetable oil until they golden brown on each side. Oh, and let me show y'all this little rice I'll be making. This crispy rice in the oven. Oh my God. Damn near my go-to for real. Okay, get you some cooked white rice, a little pan, some parchment paper. Put that straight down on that. Then I'm coming through with a little house seasoning, okay? This is what I'm putting. You put whatever you want on yours. Just make sure you season that thing up a little bit, or you can season it while you cook it. Then we're going to come through with some soy sauce, y'all. And you can use whatever soy sauce you want, baby, but this is my favorite right here. Get that on there all around. Then you're going to come through with a little chili oil, y'all. This right here with that soy sauce, going down. Then I'm going to throw a little avocado oil on there, y'all. You can use olive oil if you want to. Mix it up, throw it in the oven, put it on a low broil. Watch it, though. Watch, you're going to find yourself making your rice like this all the time now. This shit is good, okay? Spread it out like this and get it in there. Got that shrimp, baby. Golden brown to perfection, okay? Shit finna be fire. Yeah, splitting them shrimp like that, it just make them so much bigger. It changed the texture. And it's just something different. But anyway, here go the rice. Came out perfect as hell. Yeah, definitely my favorite. But anyway, y'all, like, share, subscribe. You know the vibe. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.